program I'll be using pass by reference using pointers. So the first thing I want to do, is include header files, include a string, then I'm include the if and def, create my header file, my personal header file, function h, then I'm gonna define function h. I'm gonna create my only, this is the only function I'm going to use. It's gonna have a dereference operator, modify value, int pointer, so then I'm gonna end if. Save it. Then I'm gonna move over to my functions where I'm gonna create the modify value function. But the first thing I do is include some more header files. First header file I want to include is the one I just created, functions.h. Then I'm gonna include the IO stream. For input and output operations like cout and cin. Then I'm gonna create a function which is gonna be a void modify value. I'm gonna take an int. I start the dereference operator num, and then in curly braces. Inside this function, I'm gonna use the asterisk in num so I can get the value of the address in the pointer, and this will make sense. Okay, let me create the main function first. So I'm gonna include the functions that header again. Functions h. Include the IO stream. Int main. No, I'm gonna create an int name num equal, I'm gonna say initialize to 45, and then I'm gonna create a pointer variable. And to create a pointer variable, you have to use the asterisk, then the name of the variable, and then you assign null part or the address of whatever you want to point to. And to add the address, you need to add the ampersand, if I said that right. And this will give me the address of 45. And whenever I try to print out this, it'll give me the value. Now, I want to print out before the function is called. So I'm gonna say cout before function call space, I'm gonna print num, and then I'm gonna create my end line right there. Then I'm gonna call my modify function right here. We just part, which is gonna give me the address. End it. Then I want to print out what it does afterwards. Cout after the function call num equal and print num and then return 0. No, for my function, I already have the address because I already passed it in the main, but I want the value. I want to change the value, so I'm gonna say asterisk num is equal to 30. And then let's print out a statement. Let's see out inside function. Let's say num equal the value in num. The statement. Save it. And then everything looks good. And I'm gonna compile it. Open my terminal. That's just a warning, not an error. And then there you have it.